Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Google Maps isn't updating your location. So it's usually caused by GPS permissions or connectivity issues. So here's how to fix it. So first turn on location services. So go to your settings. Now scroll down and go to privacy and security. Click on that. Next go to location services and enable it. If you're using Android, you can go to settings, then go to location and make sure it is turned on. Next, grant Google Maps precise location access. So on iPhone, open your phone settings. Now in here, so scroll down to Maps, then scroll down and select Google Maps, then select location. So here, make sure you select while using the app or always, then turn on precise location. So make sure this one is enabled. If you're using Android, you can open settings, go to apps, then go to Google Maps, then go to permissions and go to location. So choose allow all the time or allow only while using the app and enable precise location if available. Next is to check your internet connection. So open settings, now go to Wi-Fi, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, you can also restart your device, so a simple restart can fix temporary GPS or system glitches. Next, you can also clear cache, so go to Google Maps, click your profile. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now in here, go to location and privacy, scroll down. So here you can delete all timeline data. Click on that. Click I understand and want to delete and click delete. Click done. Next is to disable battery saver. So open settings, then go to battery. So scroll down and select power mode and disable low power mode. So battery saving modes may restrict GPS updates, so turn them off temporarily and test Google Maps again. And that's it. Thank you for watching.